In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client in Freshbooks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a new client profile ready to invoice, track payments, and keep all contact details in one place. Make sure you're logged into your Freshbooks account with the right permissions before we get started. First, take a look at the left-hand menu in Freshbooks. If you're currently in another area like invoices, that's totally fine. Use that same left side navigation to move around. For this process, head over to your dashboard. The dashboard is a great starting point because it gives you quick access to creating new records and shows an overview of your account activity. On the dashboard, find the Create New button. It typically lives near the top of the page and opens a small menu with different options. Click Create New, then choose Client. This opens a fresh client profile form where you'll enter the details you want Freshbooks to store. Begin by adding the client's first name. Next, add their last name. If you work with companies rather than individuals, include the company name as well. This helps match your invoices and communications to the right organization, especially if you deal with multiple contacts at the same business. Now add the client's email address. This is the address Freshbooks will use for sending invoices and estimates, so double check it for typos. If your client prefers a central billing inbox, use that here so all documents reach the right place the first time. Add a phone number for your primary contact. If you have a separate business phone or a general office line, you can add that too. Having both a direct line and a main number can save time if you need to follow up on an invoice or clarify project details. If you work internationally, include the country code so it's easy to dial. Next, add the client's address. A complete address helps with invoice headers, taxes, and record keeping. Include street, city, state, or province, postal code, and country if applicable. Consistent formatting across clients makes your reports and exports cleaner. When everything looks good, click Save. Freshbooks will create the client profile and you'll be ready to invoice them, send estimates, or log payments. Remember, you can always come back and edit these details later if anything changes or if you gather more information over time. That's it. Your new client is set up in Freshbooks and you're ready to keep your billing organized and professional.